Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to use pronouns in Arabic. So let's start. He, huwa, huwa, she, hiya, hiya, it, huwa or hiya based on the gender. If it is masculine, we use huwa. If it is feminine, we use hiya. And for I, ana, ana, you, anta, anti. If it is masculine, we use anta, anta. If it is feminine, we use anti, anti. And for we use nahnu, nahnu. So let's practice. He is a boy. Huwa walad, huwa walad. He is a son. Huwa ibn, huwa ibn. He is a brother. Huwa akh, huwa akh. He is a father. Huwa ab, huwa ab. He is a student. Huwa tilmiz, huwa tilmiz. He is a teacher. Huwa mudarris, huwa mudarris. He is a doctor. Huwa tabib, huwa tabib. Or you can say huwa daktur, huwa daktur. He is an engineer. Huwa muhandis, huwa muhandis. He is an employee. Huwa muwaddaf, huwa muwaddaf. He is a businessman. Huwa tajir, huwa tajir. Now let's use it for feminine. She is a girl. Hiya bint, hiya bint. She is a daughter. Hiya ibnah, hiya ibnah. She is a sister. Hiya ukht, hiya ukht. She is a mother. Hiya hiya She is a student. Hiya tilmiza, hiya tilmiza. She is a teacher. Hiya mudarrisa, hiya mudarrisa. She is a doctor. Hiya tabiba, hiya tabiba. Or you can say hiya daktura, hiya daktura. She is an engineer. Hiya muhandisa, hiya muhandisa. She is an employee. Hiya muwaddafa, hiya muwaddafa. She is a businessman. She is a business woman. Hiya tajira. She is a business woman. Hiya tajira, hiya tajira. Thanks for watching my video. Would request you to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.